I can't remember the last time I made breakfast for my husband, you guys. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Ada and you're welcome to Ada series. If you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. You are highly welcome to this channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always stopping by to watch my videos. You guys are welcome once again to my kitchen. I really want to appreciate you guys for the love you guys have been showing me in my recent videos. Like, I really noticed a lot of growth, a lot of changes in my channel of late from you guys. Like, I really appreciate my I think 2 or 3 recent videos. You guys really shocked me, like, oh more. Thank you all for your support, for your love, and to those that are just joining us, thank you. You are welcome to this channel. Please, my old subscribers, you guys should just go around the comment section and welcome our new members into this family. So this is from the title of the video, you guys must have already know what I'm about to film. Yes, this is, I think, to 7 or after 7 o'clock in the morning. So I'm in the kitchen right now. As you can see from the background, I want to make breakfast for my husband. Normally my husband doesn't eat breakfast before leaving the house. That's because he leaves the house so early, like around that kind 6:30, 7 o'clock. That's the time he normally leaves the house. And to some people it's too early to start it, to just wake up that morning and start eating. So sometimes I normally package food for him in a food flask, while sometimes I don't. So but this morning he won't be leaving the house so early. That's because he's going for a burial this morning, and the burial is around that kind, the burial mass is around that kind 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. So he will be leaving the house, I think, around that time. So I just decided to fix something for him. So because I can't remember the last time I made breakfast for my husband, you guys. I can't remember the last time I made breakfast for him. So I want to fix something for him, and I'm not just happy because he actually told me that he would be going for a burial today, but I didn't remember. Had it been I remembered, I would have gone to the market yesterday evening to buy a few things and make a special delicious breakfast for him. I have to do something. I have to do some magic inside this kitchen and figure out something and make for him for breakfast. So guys, this is what I have here. So this is what I have here: fresh tomatoes, pepper, onions, and these 4 raw eggs, plantain, and groundnut oil. So let's just do some magic with these things here.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Baby, I go take care of you personally. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? All your problems, I know, say solution ahead. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Yeah. Mama born you, your mama born you well, and you're beautiful too. I want to hold you, girl. I love you, girl. I wanna love you well. Yeah. Know you fell in love, but nobody caught you. And I got your body, oh. My baby, see, got me hot down, oh. Your body, oh. Now you will go chop on my money, oh. I like your body, oh. My baby, see, got me hot, oh. Your body, oh. Now you will go chop on my money, oh. Baby, I go stick with you like bamboo. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Prepare the rest, you my toy, tomato. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Cause your mama born you, your mama born you well, and you're beautiful too. See, I wanna hold you, girl, I love you, girl, I wanna love you well. I know you fell in love, but nobody caught you, baby. Baby, I go take care of you. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Baby, I go take care of you personally. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? All your problems are no say solution ahead. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Yeah, yeah. Mama born you, your mama born you well, and you're beautiful too. I want to hold you, girl. I love you, girl. I wanna love you well. Yeah. Know you fell in love, and nobody caught you. And I got your body, oh, my baby, see, got me hot down, oh. Your body, oh, now you will go chop on my money, oh. I like your body, oh, my baby, see, got me hot, oh. Your body, oh, now you will go chop on my money, oh. Baby, I go stick with you like bamboo. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Perverse, you my toy tomato. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Cause your mama born your mama born you well, and you're beautiful too. See, I wanna hold you, girl. I love you, girl. I wanna love you well. I know you fell in love, but nobody caught you, baby. Baby, I go take care of you, passing honey. Are you getting me? Are you getting me?
So guys, breakfast is ready.
Baby, I go take care of you personally. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? All your problems are no say solution ahead.
So guys, we are done making breakfast for hubby. I really want to film when he's eating this breakfast, but you guys, my husband is camera shy. Once I raise this food, he will just stop eating. He will just tell me I'm not eating again. So I want him to enjoy his breakfast, and you guys know now it's special. It's a special breakfast from wife to hubby. So I want him to enjoy himself and enjoy the moment. That's the end of the video, as usual. That's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one from me. Thank you all. Like I said earlier, I really appreciate each and every one of you for your massive love, your encouragement, your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate. See you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.